Americans are cashing in on a side hustle that feels almost too good to be true. Digital printables. These simple files, planners, calendars, wall art, worksheets are creating passive income streams in 2026. No shipping, no inventory, just instant downloads that customers love. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick a niche. Budgeting planners, fitness trackers, classroom worksheets, even patriotic decor. Step 2. Design with tools like Canva or Adobe Express. Keep it useful and stylish. Step 3. Upload to Etsy, Shopify, or your own site. Use keyword-rich titles like Budget Planner, Printable PDF USA, so Americans find you fast. Promote on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram platforms, already buzzing with printable buyers. The best part? Your designs sell again and again, building passive income while you sleep. Digital printables are not just downloads, they are freedom. Ready to start your USA-focused side hustle? Begin designing today and subscribe for more ways to make money online in 2026.